Hi there! This is another collaboration with our friends over at Sculpey, and I'll show you some easy trinket dishes to make using their polymer clay colors and their newly released Sculpey clay transfers. Hi and welcome back! Okay, I'm going to get right into this easy polymer clay tutorial for you. For the dishes I'm going to make, I'll be using some pastel colors to create a cottage chic look. Okay, so what I did was roll the polymer clay into a ball and I warmed it up a little bit with my hands. And now I'll roll it into a round shape. I want it thick enough so that later when I shape it, it's going to hold its shape without collapsing. Now I'll cut the white edges off just so that I don't accidentally get a white edge on the dish. Cut out the shape. So I'm just going to put this on and then rub it down firmly with my hands. This is going to help secure the transfer so it doesn't slide around. And then roll it out to get out any air bubbles that might be in there. Trim the edges. I do like the look of trinket dishes that are not perfect, but if you like a perfectly round dish, you can use something like a large cookie cutter to get the round shape. Next, cover the whole thing with some water and make sure that it's fully saturated. Now you're going to wait for about 3 minutes and let that water soak in. I'll get the next one ready. And these are going to bake for 20 minutes at 275 degrees Fahrenheit. And here they are. Perfect for jewelry. I hope you try this out. And if you do, let me know in the comments. And I'll also link some more polymer clay tutorials in the description. Check it out. Have a great day. See you next time.